Sensory awareness. There are 7 major types of sensory inputs to the brain: visual, tactile, vestibular, pro- proprioceptive, auditory, olfactory, and gustatory. The first 5 play a special role in sensory motor development and functioning. Vision enables children to learn motor skills through seeing and imitating. The proprioceptive, tactile, and auditory systems help children to form concepts about themselves and their environment. Vision, along with the vestibular and proprioceptive proprioceptive systems, provides a feedback mechanism by which children develop, refine, and integrate sensory motor skills into their daily functioning. We interpret information about the environment through our sensory systems. We have 2 types of sensory systems: distance senses and near senses. Distance senses are vision, visual; hearing, auditory; smell, olfactory. Near senses are touch, tactile; taste, gustatory; proprioceptive. Next, vestibular. These are the 2 types of senses. Sensory integration. Sensory integration is the organization of various sensory inputs. It is the organizing and processing of information from all the different senses and the manipulation of this information for an output or response to the environment. Sometimes the child may not be able to fully integrate and utilize the information from their senses effectively because of a dysfunctional sensory system. In such a situation, the child may not automatically develop the other senses in compensation. Usually, children with multisensory impairment, such as deafblind children, have this kind of problem. This may call for sensory intervention or stimulation to facilitate sensory integration. Sensory stimulation. Sensory stimulation involves activating the sensory system through an external stimulus or through activities suitable to a child's development level and need based on the degree of deprivation of the senses. The activities may be varied. Most children with disabilities will require a combination of stimulation activities.